Kalimera. Good morning. Good morning from Nana. She has no eyes. You see? She has no eyes. She's totally blind. Nana is her name. She has no eyes, but she's a happy girl. Her name is Nana, and she's totally blind. So now we are in the cats area. You see our beautiful cats here? Our beautiful cats. Ginger. This is Ginger. This is Tiri. She's beautiful. All of them are beautiful. I think we are with Tiri about 7 years together. 6 or 7, maybe 6.5. She's beautiful. She's a beautiful girl, Tiri. And this is Gamze, the volunteer. She's a little bit shy. Hey, Gamze, you are shy? Say hi. Hi. He's doing amazing work. And this girl is Apostolia.
Good morning.
Good morning from Apostolia and from Gamze. Nana. Let's see now, we are doing a cleaning in the cats area. We are doing a lot of cleaning. The cats, they need to be cleaned. What a beautiful boy.
Balu.
Balu. It's a girl. It's a girl.
No,
It's a boy.
it's a boy.
Balu. His name is Balu. Balu. This is Terry up there. Terry. And Apostolia, this?
Chili.
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 Chili. Red hot chili.
This is
Chili. Chili, eh? And this one?
is chili. Sir Tom.
Sir Tom there. I don't know if you remember Sir Tom. I remember Sir Tom when I found him in the street from a car accident. He was in so bad condition, and now look at him. He was a wild boy. Can I touch him, you think, oh?
He's afraid a little bit, but
Hey, Sir Tom. He's shy, but he's much better than before. Hey, you beautiful.
here is Perla.
This is Perla. Oh, Terry. Hello. Hello, beauty. Hello, beauty.
Jessie.
Jessie. Apostolia knows all the names of the cats. I don't. I know only Tiri. I know Terry. But I can't remember because they named the cats. That's why they remember them. But I know all the dogs. Beautiful.
Lola.
Beautiful Lola. Her name is Lola. Bravo, Lola. Okay.
Hara.
Sahara. This is Sahara. This one is with the boy who was in a bad condition in the street.
Named him Phileas.
Phileas. When people found him in the street, he was so bad. He was in so bad condition. Now he's getting better. Phileas. Nana again. Hey. Tiri. Psipsina.
This is Vicky.
This is Vicky. Her name is Vicky. Hey, Vicky. And this is the beauty. Nefeli. What a beauty. She has 3 legs. One of the front leg is missing. Yeah, Nefeli.
She's okay.
She's okay. She's a lovely girl. If you want to adopt any of these cats, message us. Her front leg is missing. And somebody took her to the vet to put her to sleep because she was injured in the leg. They wanted to put her to sleep because she had the problem in the front leg. But I adopted her, we cut the leg, and she's fine now. Nefeli. If you want to adopt Nefeli or any of my cats, send us a message. She's so beautiful. And at first, when we took her first, she was so scared. Now look at her. Oh my God. Oh, Nefeli. Adopt her. Nefeli. She's so gentle, so beautiful. Bravo, Nefeli μου. Bravo, κούκλα μου. All right. Hello, sir. Felix. This is Felix. And some more cats outside there. Okay, let's go outside now. So this is our cats. If you want to adopt a cat, you can send us a message. Now it's not raining, it's sunny. Now it's sunny. The weather is getting crazy. Terry, hello Terry. Weather is getting crazy. Before it was so much rain. Now it's sunny, and maybe in a few minutes it will start raining again. Hey, this is Tiri's. This is the son of Tiri's. Timmy. It's Tiri's kid, yeah?
Yes.
Beautiful. With different eyes, different color eyes. Mother and son. Okay, this is Rania. She wants to come inside. Ella, Rania. Come in, Rania. Bravo, Rania. Rania lives with the cats. And this is Moses, the sheep. Moses. Hello, Moses. He wants to come in. We are cleaning now. That's why we lock him there. This is a big area behind him. And because we have to do a lot of cleaning, he has to stay there for a few hours. Hey, Moses. He played with the cats. He's doing well. But he has to stay there now for a few hours because we are cleaning. Rania. Okay, now I have to go. I have to go because they are waiting for me. My team. The weather is nice now. But it will be raining again soon, so I have to run. I have to go because we have a lot to do. Hey, Tiri. Nah. Okay. Rania. Beautiful Rania. So, bye-bye for now. We will be back later. Να έχετε μια όμορφη μέρα. Bye-bye. Γεια σας.